Hello everyone, myself Shweta Kaur and today I am talking about anatomy, anatomical position of our body. So let's get start now. First हम बात करेंगे disciplines of anatomy, the study of the structure and relationship between the parts, body parts and physiology जो है वो है science of how those parts come together to function and keep that body active. Anatomy is all about our body and physiology is all about it does and together that comprise that science of us. The 2nd century Greek physician Glenn Glean was what he could about the human from by performing of visection on pigs, the which walked around dead bodies while sketching his beautifully detailed anatomically drawings. We will discuss about levels of organization of human body. ह्यूमन बॉडीज़ के जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स से मिलकर बनते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल और बॉडी विल बी मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन फिलामेंट मॉलिक्यूलर लेवल के ऊपर एंड देन सेकेंडली दे विल बी कंबाइंड, they will be make muscles. It's just an example of heart's muscle. This is a cellular level and another cellular muscles combined and they will be make heart muscle tissue. This is the tissue level and the muscles tissues combined make heart and this is a organ level. Heart will be make cardiovascular system, that is called also organ system level. So note, this is the important, each level is totally depend to the others. For example, damage at the cellular tissue or organ level will be affect the entire system. So for simplicity of learning, the body is divided into 9 systems. Our body will be divided physiologically and anatomically divided in the 9 system. We will be discuss in detail about the system later. First is the skeletal muscular system, cardiovascular system. Third is also digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system and endocrine system, reproductive system, nervous system and miscellaneous, the senses, organs, skin, tongue, nose and ear, eyes. ओके. एनाटॉमिकल पोजीशन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो उसके अंदर आ जाता है हमारे बॉडी जो है किसी भी ह्यूमन की. जब हम एनाटॉमिकल पोजीशन डिटेक्ट करते हैं तो उसको किस पोजीशन के ऊपर खड़ा होना चाहिए, किस तरह से उसको स्टैंड किया जाता है, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. स्टैंडिंग अपवर्ड, अपराइट, आर्म एट साइड टू द बॉडी, palm facing forward, feet close together, standard position in which structure are described. And I will be discuss about the anterior and posterior. What is the anterior and posterior part of our body? This is the front of body. It's called anterior. It's also called ventral and back of the body is dorsal and it's also called posterior. Examples: navel is on anterior or ventral surface of body. Heel is posterior, dorsal to the low toes. Okay, this is a simple example. We will be understand simply of this anatomical position. Superior and inferior, the two position also will be discussed in anatomical position. Superior above or toward the head and inferior also below toward the feet. We will be explained through the example. Point C is inferior to point B and you will be seeing the slide A, B, C the point and the point C is inferior to point B and point A is superior to point B. I will be second anatomically position, it's the left and right. It's not justified that left and right side of person through the our observation. It will be anatomically position, and our left side it's also in right side, and or right side is also in left side. So we will be put a diagram on a page. The left side also in right side and the right side is also in left side. So we will be understand through the simple example. In this diagram, the point A will be show. Point A is to the left of the umbilicus. This is a easy process. It's too easy. I think you all understand this. So we will be discuss about the proximal and distal. Proximal and distal. Proximal closer to where arm or leg insert into body, and distal further away from where arm or leg insert into body. Example, we will be discuss the example of proximal. Example, knee is proximal to ankle. Okay, then wrist is distal to elbow, or wrist is distal to elbow. It's a simple example only used when describing 2 points on the same limb, arm or leg. We will be discuss the another anatomical position. It's medial and lateral. Medial is closer to middle line. You all see in the diagram, the middle line is also in the bodies, divide body to the equally two parts. You see there in the diagram, the lateral further from middle line. Okay, medial is also closer to middle line and lateral further from middle line. We will be also understand to the example, thumb is lateral to little finger. In the anatomical position, thumb is lateral to, if a man will be stand up in anatomical position, the thumb is lateral to little finger. Examples, you will be see the A point and B point. A point is medial to B point and B is lateral to A point. Okay, so try this. This is your question. You will be answer in the comment box, and any of this query of this question you will be discuss me through the comment box also. So this question is describe the position of nose relative to the eyes, and I also prefer to answer you. The nose is medial. The nose is medial and inferior and anterior ventral to the eye. ओके, नोज जो है वो मीडियल है आई से, इंफीरियर है, एंटीरियर सुपीरियर नहीं है, एंटीरियर है, ये वेंट्रल है, पोस्टीरियर, वेंट्रल डोर्स, वेंट्रल और ventral or anterior also, medial and inferior, superior also there. Okay, so we will be discuss about another anatomical position is the direction term. In the direction term, what if we want to observe internal structure, cut body into slide called blades or section. Okay, describe position of external structure. Anatomical planes is sagittal, frontal, transverse and oblique. They also have the anatomical planes also have further divided into 4 types: sagittal, frontal, transverse and oblique. Sagittal plane is lengthwise cut. Okay, in the On the medial cut, divide body into left and right position. Also mid-sagittal plane if cut is through midline. Parasagittal plane if cut is not through the midline. Okay, it's the lengthwise cut of the body. And then further body divided into two parts. It's also called sagittal plane. Second is frontal plane. Frontal plane is sidewise cut, divided body into anterior and posterior position. Portion, back of part, face part, frontal plane. You will be seeing the diagram on the screen. It's really easy to understand what I want to understand. What I want to teach you. This is the frontal plane. It's a size-wise cut, divided body into anterior and posterior also. So we will be discuss about the another plane of is the transverse plane. Transverse plane is a horizontal cut. It will be divided body into head and also the lower part of below to the thoracic. Also divided body into superior and inferior position. This the frontal is also anterior and posterior, आगे and पीछे, front and back also. Horizontal cut, transverse cut also divided into superior on the head and inferior on the feet. Superior position, transverse section, inferior portion. Okay. Oblique plane angle, any diagonal section also plane. Oblique angle, we will be cut body into any diagonal section in oblique. It's also called oblique plane. Its cut also perform in a diagnose any of the surgery, any of the disease, any of the symptoms of diagnosis. Rest also the plane have to be cut in this condition. So it's over. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate. I really grateful to you. Will be join me and listen carefully. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much again. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much again.